Hello students, today we will cover up remaining portion of functions. The category of this function is date functions, which perform operation over date values or returns some date. Now is one of the function of date which return the current date and time as value in the format like this: y then dash my dash dt then space colon colon ss, or it return yy dd ss format. Why it return in these two different formats? First one, it return when it returns the date in string format, and second one is return when date is being returned in the numeric format or numeric context. So look at this first example. Select now. Now means current time, and with time there is some date. So current date with time is returned. Okay, I do it practically. Select now, then semicolon, select now, execute the query. Okay student, you are finding the result in output window. Here this one is 162020 as according to at the time of execution of this query. Day is 1st June 2020 and time is this one. Why it is not returning date exactly as the right now? Because the server of this site is somewhere where date is 1/6/2020 and the server date is this one is the server date. So student, if you run this on your system, it will return the date of the computer you are having. Okay, now I change it into numerical context +0 and then execute the statement, execute the query. Its output should be changed. Okay student, output is changed. Similar to date 1/6/2020 and time is like 18:58 and 42. Okay, here +0 means addition of 0 second. Okay, now whatever seconds are there, if I add 50, it will add with current time. 50 seconds will be added. If I add 5000, okay, now I go to the statement 5000. So after 5000 second, time is changed to 19931. If I write here 50,000 seconds after, so time is changed to this one. In a day there are number of seconds are there. I change to this to 80,000. Okay, 80,000. One more zero here, then 8 lakh seconds. So it should change it has changed. One more 0. Okay, so it change according to the current date and time. Now you are familiar how when to use now and how we can apply addition or subtraction operation over now. Now next function is date. Date function convert string format date to date format date. Okay, and it returns the portion of the date. In this example, it is returning on the date part of the date of this string. Okay, we do it practically. If we execute this now, what it do? I execute, it returns date and time. Now I want to extract only its date portion. What I will do? What I am doing here, I am applying nesting of function. First of all, now function will be executed and it will return date and time together, and then after whatever the date and time is, its date portion will be extracted and it will be returned. Okay, I execute that statement, execute the query. Student, you are finding here only the date part of the date function. Okay, so now we are able to use the now and date function. Now next function is month. Month function returns the month part of the date. Okay, so what I do here, I write here month, it means month function, and what it's doing now returns the date and time format. Date with time. Date function returns only date part, and then month function return the month part of the date. So 6 is being returned. 6 means June. Now someone may require month name also. What we should do here, month name, then bracket, month name. What it will do, it will return June. Okay, JUNE. So month name is another function just similar to month, but month returns the numerical month, whereas month name return string form. Now next functions are year. Similar to month return the month, whereas year return only the year portion, and day return the date part of the date. Okay, we do it practically. I change it to year, and execute this query. It is returning 2020 as the year, and write here day. It is returning 1 means 1st June. Okay, one only. Then day name. Day name means day name of that particular date. Day name. The string form. So today is Monday is according to this date. Okay, so you are familiar with these all date functions. Now function returns the date along with time. Date function convert string formatted date into date and return only date part. month return the month number, month name return the string form of month number, and year return the year portion only. Day function returns the day of the date, and day name function returns the string form of the day of particular date. And now student, last part of the functions are aggregate function and null value. Aggregate functions are used to return the result of aggregation operation. Like if we are applying sum of cell with reference to this table EMP, what it do, it is sum of the salary part and only return 4,000, 3,000, 7,000, 8,000, 12,000. So it return 12,000. Next, mean of cell means minimum salary part will be returned. Max and maximum salary will be returned. Count of cell, it will count only 3 records because in 2 record there is no value. Counting is 1, 2, 3. That's like, so how many salary are there? Only 3 salary value are there. Average returns the average value after excluding null value. So we are having 12,000 total salary, and only 3 employees are with salary part. So divide by 3, 12,000 divided by 3, it means 4,000 as the average. And count the whole record, all the records. So count star means it will return number of records. There are 5 records. Whereas if we are applying count cell, how many salary are there, it count only numerical part only, excluding null values. Okay students, we have completed this part of the unit. Thank you.